Okay guys, look at my coins and diamonds, this hack working perfect. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds for DLS 25. Absolutely free, safe and online guys, without loading any mod or anything. Imagine guys, it's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search DLS 25 and you will find the online tool. Click there and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings up here, click on advanced, click on system info, then copy info. Let's get back to our tool guys, then paste it and you will automatically get your user ID. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our coins and diamonds amount. So I will go with the maximum guys, so let me click continue. Let's see how this is working. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for DLS 25, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, AP connected, nice. So scroll down and you will find this I'm not robot, just click there. And guys, we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires, it's your choice. Just click here on free click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher with the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Swag Bags, so I will be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting guys. So guys, if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see what will happen. Verification successful, nice guys. Thank you for passing the both checks. Let me open the game and let's test this. Does it actually works? Let's see guys. Okay guys, look at my coins and diamonds, this hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.